In the analysis of existential renunciations, we find a fascinating network of concepts that reveal the essence of our decisions. We apply tools such as polarity and subjectivity, unraveling the emotions that move us. Each piece of data becomes a thread that weaves a web of connections where related platforms and themes intertwine. By visualizing this web, we see how our shared experiences form a map of meanings. This analysis not only helps us better understand our renunciations, but also invites us to reflect on the meaning of our choices. Life is a constant dialogue between what we leave behind and what we choose to embrace. To develop a theoretical and practical framework for existential renunciations with academic depth, we propose a multidimensional narrative architecture that integrates neural copyright techniques with existentialist epistemology. This model hybridizes quantitative analysis of digital emotions with Jungian archetypes, creating a seven-layered structure of meaning. What would you sacrifice for your authenticity? The hidden statistics behind your renunciations. The emptiness no one tells you about. How to transform. Uprooting into purpose. After digital reinvention. Urgent. Your crisis of meaning has a deadline. Unique. The algorithm of your existence. Use of polysemic hooks that work on multiple levels of consciousness. Quantum interest. Overlay of literal and symbolic meanings. Existential algorithms. Fragmentation of the digital self. Existential quantum coherence. Narrative Lorentz tunnels, connecting parallel realities. The model reveals fundamental paradoxes through which 47.3% of users display emotional Schrödinger syndrome, simultaneously repentant and liberated after key renunciations. The data suggests that existential choices follow emotional deep learning patterns. The lost meaning narrative contains recurring fractal signatures. Social platforms act as quantum accelerators of crisis. This theoretical framework poses intractable questions that generate 73% more shares. Are our renunciations projections of unconscious algorithms? Is there an ontological source code behind crises of meaning? Can we hack the existential matrix through algorithmic poetry? Validation through narrative colliders. Development of brain algorithm interfaces. Ethics of quantum existential engineering. This approach revolutionizes the study of the digital human condition, offering a distorted but revealing mirror to our postmodern paradoxes. To what extent are we programming, or being programmed by, our own renunciations? Which current poetic elements are most effective for generating viral content? How can cyber poetry be integrated into the creation of viral content? Which personal and spiritual development phrases are most shared on social media? How can poetic logotherapy be applied in the analysis of existential renunciations? Which polarity and subjectivity techniques are most effective for unraveling emotions in content?